Please subscribe Paddu Tech channel, like it and share it. Please subscribe Paddu Tech channel, like it and share it. Narayana Medical College, Chindadipalam, Nellore. MBBS course, MBBS course, 4 years, 6 months course plus 1 year internship. 4 year, 6 months course plus 1 year internship. Intake seats 250. Intake seats 250. Candidates should have qualified at NEET UG and shall secure not less than 50% of marks taken together in physics, chemistry, biology, that means botany, zoology, in the qualifying examination. Courses offered: MBBS course duration of 4.5 plus 1 year internship, intake capacity 250. MD or MS 3 years course, intake capacity seats 150. Fee structure. The Narayana Medical College Nellore MBBS fee structure for the undergraduate and postgraduate medical courses. Fee structure is mentioned below as UG fees, course MBBS, category. If you get in category A, you pay only 15,000, 15,000 rupees. If you get through B category, so you pay 12 lakhs per year, 12 lakhs per year. So if you get through C category, you pay 36 lakhs per year. So this is the fee structure of UG course at the Narayana Medical College, Nellore. Next, score cutoff. Score cutoff. So in here you can see here 2022 and 2023 cutoff scores. So as category wise, first one BCA female non-local. So for 2023, 522 cutoff, 522. ST non-local, so 456 in 2022, 477 in 2023. BCB 504, 513. BCD 547, 559. SC 443, 468. BCB 434. SC 454, 480. ST 419, 430. Documents required. Documents required. Candidates allotted a seat in this college will be asked to report to complete the admission formalities with the following document. For UG candidates, documents required: their admit card, scorecard or rank card, Class 10 certificate and mark sheet for date of birth, class 12 certificate and mark sheet, ID proof, that means Aadhaar or PAN card or driving license or passport, eight passport size photographs, eight passport size photographs, provisional allotment letter, provisional allotment letter, caste certificate if applicable, caste certificate if applicable, PWD certificate if applicable. Please subscribe Padu Tech channel, like it and share it. Muttam Setti, Partha Sarathi. Thank you.